Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about a web scraping tool, which is actually a Google extension, and this this is a totally free extension. You don't have to pay anything for it, and it is very easy to use. You can easily use it to extract business details from various websites. So today I'm gonna show a quick tutorial about how you can use it to extract business details from Yellow Pages, which is a business details website. So let's go for it. First, you have to install this extension from Chrome extensions from Chrome Web Store. You can just go for it, and it is loading. Yeah, right here. We have to type instant data scraper, and right here, yeah, it's first one with this Pokemon like icon. Yeah, I have already added it in my Chrome, so I will show you. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so now the second thing you have to check is it this that this and this extension has access to your file URLs. So you have to go to the settings and extension settings, where you can click on it and check if it has access to the file URLs. It do not have access, so I will just give access to it, and then go back, type yellowpages.com. It is a business website where the business listings, you can find business listings here of every kind, from dentists to plumbers and wherever you want. So it's a very good website to extract business details. I will go with a dentist near Los Angeles, CA. So yeah, here it is. You can see we have a lot of dentist listing here, and it's almost 3,000 listings, and we're not gonna extract them all because it's just a quick tutorial. So we are here on Yellow Pages. When you're on the website you want to scrape, just click on this icon in your extension bar, and here it is. Yeah, it already has scraped first page of dentist in Los Angeles, and we have 30 results scraped with names, business names, category, emails, phone numbers, and websites, and some extra details too, but we can just delete them out in Excel. So right now what we have to do is we have to locate the next button on the website we are scraping. So just click on this blue button saying like locate next button, go down there and click on the next button on the website. Just click once and then open the instant data scraper tab and click start crawling. So it will crawl the website on its own, all the pages, and you can stop it wherever you want. It will extract some extra details too, but it's not a thing to worry about. Okay, so it has scraped 2 pages, 60 listings. Okay, so by the time it is scraping this, I want to say that please subscribe to my channel. If you want to get notified of every video, just press the bell icon, and I will be uploading other free tools for data scraping too. So right here it has scraped 4 pages with 120 listings, actually 160 listings. So yeah, right here. So we can sort the extra things out right here, but it will be a little difficult, so I would just export it, and you can export it as CSV document or Excel SX document, which is Excel true format. So I will just export it as Excel. So now it will download automatically, and let's see it in Excel. Okay, so right here I have scraped it, and now it's opening. Yes, enable editing because it's a label harmful file. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna just clean that sheet out, and you are ready to deliver it to your client on whatever marketplace you're working on. So I will just wrap it, clean it, and we'll be ready to go to our client, waiting for his sheet. Okay, so it is these things are extra things, so I will just delete them, and you can wrap text again to just clarify it. Okay, so this is what today's video was all about. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to get notified, click the bell icon, so you should be updated for every video I upload.